Why are you still broke in 2024? Here is one skill in demand right now that you can actually make money. Listen to this right now.
Listen, if there is one skill that you can learn, master, practice, don't waste your time jiving and playing about online. Discipline yourself, sit your butt down and learn how to run online ads. If you can learn that and practice it, master it between now to December, you will never lack money. And the way to learn these things is totally free. You don't have to buy a course. I sell courses, but you don't have to buy a course. Facebook has a program called Facebook Blueprint. Facebook is now Meta, so you might Google and it's going to say Meta Blueprint. And it's a free program by Facebook that teaches you how to use their advertising products. Free. Now, if you wish to get certified, you can pay a small fee and get certified, but the knowledge itself is free. Google has a similar one. It's called Google Skill Shop. They'll teach you how to run ads on the Google suite of products. You can run YouTube ads. So when other people are going to YouTube to watch videos, they will see your video ad on their platform, or on that video, or in the middle, or at the end of the of that video. So whether you have something to sell or not, or maybe you are doing it as a service, being able to predictably buy attention will always be an in-demand service.